Morning children, you have already learned the alphabets. Okay, now we will see how the alphabets are grouped into two groups and how we can blend the sounds. Shall we begin? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are alphabet. These are alphabet. Now these alphabets are again grouped into two. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels. These are called vowels. How many vowels are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 vowels. And the remaining B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are called consonants. These are called the consonants. So how many consonants are there? Totally 21. So A, E, I, O, U are the 5 vowels and the remaining are the consonants. Okay. Now let us see how you can blend the vowel sound and the consonant sound. A vowel sound and the consonant sound, which is called the B plus C rule. Okay, it's called B plus C rule. A is a vowel. A and an. A, T, at. O, R, or. O, N, on. O, F, off. Yes. I, yes, is. I, T, it. I, F, if. Now look at all these words. A and. A, T, at. O, R, or. O, N, on. O, F, off. I, yes, is. I, T, it. I, F, if. I, N, in. So, in this line, you can see all the vowels in the beginning. You can see all the vowel sounds in the beginning and a consonant is added to it. A consonant is added to it. And, at, or, on, off, is, it, if, in. So, like this, a vowel and a consonant can be blended. This is the V plus C rule. A vowel plus consonant blending. Okay, children, you have